I'm Carl Anthony, and welcome to In Cabin, the groundbreaking new event and community from Sense Media, the creators of AutoSense. In Cabin supports the knowledge and connections for automotive in-cabin technology specialists across the globe. Today, we're speaking with Patrice Roulet, Vice President Technology and co-founder of Immervision. I always enjoy talking to you, Patrice, and welcome to In Cabin. Good to see you again.
Good to see you, Carl. Again, thank you very much to giving me this opportunity to present Immervision and explain a little bit about what we do.
Indeed. And so let's start there. Give us an overview of Immervision, and then a second question here, a two-part question. Give us an overview of Immervision, and then tell us about the work you're doing with in-cabin automotive camera and vision systems.
So Immervision is a 22-year-old company focusing in wide-angle imaging. What is wide-angle imaging is lens, camera sensor, image processing, and machine learning and AI. So we cover all the complete pipeline of wide-angle imaging / camera, and we design camera for multiple industries. So smartphone, laptop, action cameras, security, robotics, and automotive. For ADAS, human vision, mirror replacement, and of course, for in-cabin. So talking more about the in-cabin in particular, so basically we see the industry shifting from the driver monitoring to the in-cabin monitoring. And why to monitor the driver, you need an narrow-angle camera. Then now there is a necessity to expand the field of view and to provide good pixels for the different applications of in-cabin monitoring. So that's exactly what we do. We design wide-angle camera that provide good pixels to fulfill the in-cabin application with the S requirements.
And you mentioned something very important, Patrice, that it's no longer, yes, monitoring the driver is important, but it's no longer just about that. It's monitoring the passengers, it's monitoring the entire cabin. How does Immervision, just going a little deeper now, how does Immervision help OEMs and tier one suppliers achieve this?
So basically we have this expertise in wide-angle lens design and also in simulation of wide-angle. So the question is always, okay, can I maintain the application that I do good on the driver, and or I expand that to the occupant or other maybe entertainment application using the in-cabin camera? So that's one question they have. The second question is where I should place this camera, or I can make it less intrusive. So that's also the problem that we help them to solve. With our experience in miniaturization, in wide angle, and also in smart pixel management.
And with that in mind, Patrice, and thinking from a benchmarking perspective, you mentioned it before, these in-cabin cameras, they have to be small, they have to be unobtrusive. What is your perspective on why that's important? Why is it necessary that these in-cabin cameras be small and unobtrusive?
So I think, so first, I think it's a design consideration. So we need to, the cabin need to be very well designed. That's what the driver is looking at all the time, right? So it has to be very nice and well designed. Or we can help in this. So we designed small wide angle camera for a while. We were the first to design wide angle camera for smartphones. So we know that miniaturization is important and design is important. So that's where we bring the expertise on in-cabin. Say, okay, we can help you to make it less intrusive, miniaturize, to make it seamless in the cabin.
One of the most unique aspects of Immervision is the Innovation Lab. And through the Innovation Lab, you can collaborate with your customers to design a complete camera system. This is everything from the lens assembly to the image processing algorithms. So Patrice, tell us about the Innovation Lab and the work that you're doing there.
So the mission and the promise of the Innovation Lab is to bring innovation to our customers. And how we bring innovation is with first our experience of multi-industry. So we can use different concepts from different industries to bring innovation to our customers. Second is we have a team combining different expertise. So lens design, camera system engineers, image processing, and machine learning and AI. So with those multiple expertise, we can master the solution end-to-end from the glass of or plastic of the lens up to the machine learning or up to the display. Mastering the complete pipeline, we understand the problem at the eye level, and we can break down the problem to the different components.
Patrice, you recently published a white paper. It's available now on the Immervision website. It's called Freeform Wide-Angle Camera Lens Enabling Mitigatable Distortion. Again, that white paper recently published, available on your Immervision website. Patrice, tell us a little bit about this white paper.
So the purpose of this white paper is really to show how freeform components inside a lens stack or inside a lens design can help to control the distortion, but also improve the image quality. So that's an expertise and a technology we mastered for a while. So we designed the first freeform wide-angle lens in 2005. We designed the first automotive camera with freeform component in 2008. So when now the industry is searching from high quality, wide-angle camera, we believe that we have the technology and the experience to bring this as a solution to OEMs and tier ones.
Again, that white paper available on Emervision's website, called Freeform Wide-Angle Camera Lens Enabling Mitigatable Distortion, available now on Emervision's website. Patrice, what is next for Emervision? What can we look forward to here in the near future?
Thank you for asking, because there is more to come. So there is another problem that has to be solved, is the low light performance. So especially for in-cabin, low light performance of camera and lens is very important. And we conduct a lot of research in this area. We already released a low light camera for flying drones, and there is more to come in automotive in this area of research. So stay tuned. You will see more white paper coming in this year's related to this topic of low light.
And then we'll have to discuss everything that's new again in a future interview. So I look forward to getting caught up and hearing the latest on what you're doing. Patrice, it's always a pleasure. Thank you for being with us today, sharing your expertise and your thought leadership. And from all of us here at In-Cabin and AutoSense, we want to wish you the best of luck going forward.
On my side, I'm looking forward to go to the event. That will be my first time for In-Cabin, so I'm really excited to meet people and make connection and see how we can help to solve problems together.
For more in-depth interviews like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn. For more information on our world-class events and technical training, visit auto-sense.com/in-cabin. That's auto-sense.com/in-cabin. Ahead of meeting in Brussels, and on behalf of In-Cabin, I'm Carl Anthony.